What's up, guys? Thought I'd do a video in the palm house. So I got, like, right here is open. I've always had shade cloth halfway up and then all over the front and the top, and then I put this glass up just now, and after summer we'll glass in that side. The rest of it is pretty much enclosed. But yeah, so here's Cali fans from, I think that's winter of 23 or something like that, maybe fall of 22. And then these are all guys that are January of 24. And of course, these are some old windmills right here. And these are some winter of 23 as well, Cali's. And then these are some windmills. So they doing pretty good. Need to get these guys watered. Yeah, they're pretty dry. But yeah, so those are all windmills. These are Cali fans. These are winter of 24 Cali's, winter of 23, fall of 22, winter of 24. And then these are some windmills. And like this guy, he's probably ready for a 1 gallon pot. He's coming out of that solo cup. So yeah, he's ready for a 1 gallon. And then yeah, just thought I would get a little shot of what I call the palm house. So I'm gonna be adding some more shelves along that side, and some a little bit higher, so that when we get it back enclosed for this coming fall, then I have a milk house heater, and hopefully we'll be doing a few more hundred, because I mean, who knows how many's between all this in here and all these. I got to get these out of their community pots. And then there's 30 windmills that are new, so it's probably already over 100 little starts in here. So yeah, then clean up the bottom and floor space. But yeah, so I just wanted to get a little shot of the palm house instead of doing a yard update. But stay tuned, a couple days I'll do another yard update. Thanks for watching.